Rob. Flat about 10 miles out of here?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
20 miles on a freaking rim?
We got a rag over there?
Paper towel! Jenny, give me a paper towel! Come on,
This from a Limp Bizkit disc. I just missed the gift list for Christmas gifts, so I get pissed and can't pick which wrist to slit. The rich kids and cribs don't attempt this shit. To step back while I prep up the pimp the spins. Says my girl, I'm like, what up, girl? Shut up, girl. Shut up, cut up, squirrel. Scream for murder, so loud everybody heard. I was like, look, check this out, cuz I'm looking for Cookie Puss. I need to speak to him immediately. They played my video on MTV last week, and just when I was thinking I was all that and then some, in comes Fred Durst.
Yo, Shady, let me get some. Who knows what galaxy I came from? One where a bass drum hung from a high chair. Now I'm a nightmare, you stay right there. I got the fever for the flavor of a single. See me and Shady, I think we got a lockdown. Shocked by the sound, I got you cruising with your top down. These two blondes, I offered them both a drink. This you would think could get the party started, but instead them girls turned their heads. They up the mouth smelled like somebody farted. So it was time for me to move on. Shady said the living room was a dance floor, so turn me loose. I was cutting the rug with this chick, bumped into this dude who was drunk and a prick, rambling on about how he was gonna kill me. Wow, spill a drink on his shirt, but no, he insisted we should go. Before I could drop him, Shady had to clock him. The music stopped, the party stood in shock. So I looked around, grabbed the cutest girl and did the smurf.
I couldn't get driving, but I went like, oh my God.
Where did you go?
Get out of the way. Back it up! You don't go right into it. Page 10.